Starting with question number 23, which of the following where I left yesterday night? Expected benefit section. Policy changes based on study funding. Yes, this page describes. Policy which you can change, the government made policy. Which of the following are components of a concept paper? Study title and references. Okay, study title and references are components of a concept paper. I told you abstract is never included. Sampling strategy is discussed in which of the following section of a concept paper? In methodology. Which of the following statement is true about the reference section? Yes, they must be written following standard guidelines. After that, a postgraduate has mentioned the estimated budget through thesis to be 50,000. May not be justified. Remuneration for the thesis guide. He or she should not be given any money at all, the thesis guide, because the main work is done by the postgraduate or the principal investigator. Identify the incorrect statement. A well-written protocol is useful. Yes. Draft a one-page concept protocol. True. This is helpful. Then recommended while writing a concept paper, except describing the methods. No, in detail you will describe it in the research protocol. Like when I submitted my thesis protocol. Which of the following is the consideration framing the objectives? Choosing appropriate action words. This finishes the assignment 23. Bye.